As we age, our lips undergo some fascinating changes that reflect the intricate science of our bodies. The anatomy of our lips is quite unique. They're made up of delicate skin, muscle, and connective tissue. This structure gives them their plumpness and flexibility. But as we age, several factors come into play that can alter their appearance. One of the most noticeable changes is the loss of volume. Our bodies produce less collagen and elastin over time, which are crucial for maintaining that youthful fullness. This reduction leads to thinner lips and can even cause the corners of our mouths to droop, giving us a more tired look. Additionally, the skin on our lips is thinner than the rest of our face, making it more susceptible to the effects of aging. Sun exposure is another significant factor. UV rays can break down collagen and lead to pigmentation changes, resulting in uneven coloring and a rough texture. Environmental factors, like smoking and pollution, also contribute to this breakdown, accelerating the aging process. Moreover, hydration plays a critical role. As we age, our skin's ability to retain moisture diminishes, leading to dryness and chapping. Dehydrated lips can appear more wrinkled and less vibrant. It's essential to keep them hydrated, not just with lip balm but also by drinking plenty of water. On a molecular level, the breakdown of hyaluronic acid, a natural substance that helps retain moisture, is another culprit in lip aging. As levels decrease, our lips can lose their plumpness and elasticity, making them appear more lined and less youthful. In summary, the science behind lip aging is a complex interplay of anatomy, environmental factors, and molecular changes. Understanding these elements can empower us to take better care of our lips, ensuring they remain as vibrant as we feel inside. Blood circulation plays a crucial role in the health and appearance of our lips. As we age, the number and size of blood vessels in our lips decrease, leading to a loss of that natural rosy hue we often take for granted. This reduction contributes to a duller appearance, making our lips look less vibrant. Chronic inflammation, UV exposure, and the breakdown of collagen further weaken the vascular support in our lips, accelerating this fading effect. Interestingly, gender also influences how our lips age. Women typically experience more pronounced and deeper perioral wrinkles compared to men. Why is that? It's because in women, the lip muscle is attached closer to the skin. This proximity increases traction, making wrinkles more likely to form. Additionally, women have fewer sebaceous glands and less facial hair, which means they produce less sebum. After menopause, this decline in sebum production can leave lips drier and more susceptible to wrinkling. When we compare lip aging to facial aging, several key differences emerge. For one, the barrier function of our lips is weaker, which means they lose moisture much faster than other areas of our skin. Lips also contain less melanin, offering less protection from UV rays. This is why we often see more sun damage on our lips than on other parts of our face. Moreover, lips have a unique ability for transdermal absorption, meaning that substances from lipstick or even food can penetrate deeply into the skin. This can be a double-edged sword. While it allows for effective delivery of nourishing ingredients, it can also mean that harmful substances can enter more easily. Let's not forget the constant movement our lips endure. Speaking, eating, and expressing emotions put a lot of strain on them. This frequent movement can lead to the formation of lines and grooves, making them more noticeable over time. And with less subcutaneous fat in the lips compared to other areas of the face, those lines can become even more pronounced. So, what can we do to protect our lips? First and foremost, we need to be gentle. Our lips are sensitive and require mild care. It's important to avoid harsh active ingredients like retinol, which can irritate the delicate skin. Instead, consider using gentle peptides such as palmitoyl tripeptide 1 or palmitoyl pentapeptide 4. These ingredients can help boost collagen and elastin production without causing irritation. Incorporating these gentle yet effective ingredients into your lip care routine can make a significant difference. Keeping our lips hydrated and protected is essential for maintaining their youthful appearance. By understanding the unique challenges our lips face as we age, we can take proactive steps to ensure they remain healthy, vibrant, and beautiful.
If you enjoy the content here, subscribing is the best way to stay connected and never miss an update. Your support helps me create even more amazing videos, and I want to hear from you. Leave a comment with your thoughts, questions, or just to say hi. Engaging with you makes this journey so much more rewarding. Plus, I love getting to know what you want to see next. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep the conversation going.